Set up a client's office, I always love to use drawer organizers for things like the pencils, the pens, the paper clips, but they don't always need all the drawer organizers, because usually if you stick all the drawer organizers in there, they don't slide in the drawer. But I have a super easy trick that we use all the time for countless amount of clients all over. Shelf liner! These shelf liners are from Duck Brand, and I love them so much because they are super thick. They aren't, slidey material. They're like legit grip on them, and they're so easy to cut and install. Like, you don't need to peel them or anything. You just cut them to size, stick them in, stick your drawer organizers on top of it, and boom, your drawer is not going to be all slidey. It's going to be all tidy. So they come in a few different colors, okay? I recommend using black for any dark drawer. For me, my drawers are navy blue, so I'm going to be using black. But if your drawer is white or wood, the tan or beige is a great option. Another wonderful easy liner is this clear, and there's bubble kind of sticky stuff on it, so it really doesn't stick or slide, which is perfect for keeping everything tidy in your drawers or on wire shelves. What? I've used the clear to cut on wire shelves in pantries so that things don't fall through the cracks. This easy liner is amazing for that, plus so much more. I'm going to be using the solid grip easy liner that is like mold and mildew resistant from Clorox in my office drawers to keep all of my drawer organizers from moving about. First thing you're going to do, measure your drawer. Get out a measuring tape and measure how long and wide it is, then cut your shelf liner. Once your shelf liner is cut, you're just going to simply put it in the drawer. You might need to cut a little bit around the edges if you didn't cut it like perfectly straight, which is totally fine. But just make sure to like really get in there and make sure that it's like flat in the drawer. Then pop in your drawer organizers. Boom! It looks amazing. So what else can we do to use this shelf liner so that stuff in drawers doesn't slide all over the place? This same drawer trick works perfectly in your kitchen. So when you use those drawer dividers in your kitchen for things like food, they slide around the drawer when you or the kids pull them out. Let's use that same trick in your drawer so that when you or your kids open up that drawer, things don't slide everywhere. How many of you have these wire shelves somewhere in your house? Well, aren't they kind of like a pain to put stuff on because you're scared everything's going to fall through? Well, use the clear easy liners and nothing will fall through the cracks. Get it? What I did there? The clear easy liner is great. One side is bubbly, one side is smooth. I like putting the smooth side down on the wire shelves and keeping the bubbly side up, because then things just, it's a little stickier, so it keeps everything from falling all over the place. Boom! Now my whole shelf is completely covered. All that's left is to stick all my products back on the shelf. So when I line everything up in like a closet, this is my cleaning closet, or on a pantry, I always like to make sure that it's grocery style. So one item behind the other. This really helps when you are going to the store and you're trying to figure out how much you need. You can take a quick peek in here and just see if there's a long line of stuff, you're set. If there isn't, then you need to get more. Love what I shared? Subscribe to this channel. New videos every Wednesday with bonus videos every month that only my subscribers will know about.